Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable audio checks in YouTube Studio Processing, full guide step by step clearly. To disable audio checks in YouTube Studio Processing, start by signing in to your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, select the Content tab from the left sidebar. Locate the video you wish to adjust in the list of your uploaded content. Click on the thumbnail or title of the video to open the video detail. On the video details page, scroll down to the advanced settings. Look for the option that mentions audio checks during processing. Uncheck the box next to this option to disable audio checks. After making this change, ensure you save your settings. Click on the Save button at the top right corner of the page. Your video will now process without audio checks. To confirm the change, you can re-upload the video or check the settings on a new upload. Keep in mind that this change may affect how audio is monitored in your video. You can always revisit the settings if you wish to enable audio checks again in the future. Remember to check for any updates in YouTube Studio, as features can change frequently. That completes the steps for disabling audio checks during video processing in YouTube Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.